Your customers want proof that your business is safe and trustworthy. Whether you run a daycare, a restaurant, or a clinic, showing your safety and education standards builds confidence. Content marketing makes this easy. Tell real stories of staff training. Show your certifications. Share behind-the-scenes videos. Use blogs, infographics, and social posts to reach your audience everywhere they are. Be transparent. Instead of just saying you follow rules, explain how and why. Add SEO, so the right people find you online. And remember, trust is built over time. Keep sharing updates as you grow and improve. Ready to stand out as a safe and reliable brand? MarketinGear helps small businesses craft campaigns that connect and convert. Contact us now and book free consultation today.